How to create form in Clickup. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to create form in Clickup. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Clickup website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm here in my Clickup account. I already logged in, and this is my space as you can see on the screen. So in order to create a form, so this is how you're going to do it. You can just click the plus view right here on the top side beside the overview and list and board. So you can click that, and right there you can add a bunch of contents just like board, calendar, mind map, activity, or even a document, whiteboard, etc, etc. But you can also add a form. So right here on the bottom part, there's a form right here that you can add to, quickly gather, organize, and collect data. Yeah, that's how form works. And if I click pin view and click trial forms, as you can see, if I click that, this window will appear, and it shows that you will need to have a higher plan of an account. So you just need to have a unlimited account, and yeah, it starts on $7 and $7 per month, but you can get that on a free trial up to 15 days. And yeah, that's it. You need to have unlimited or at least business plan on click up account before you can add forms. And yeah, that's it. You After you purchasing the higher plan, you can just go to plus view again and click on forms, and it will actually take you on the form editor. And it's actually just the same when you are using, Google Forms. Yeah, that's it. It's so easy to create forms in ClickUp, and there are also templates that you can choose. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add forms on ClickUp. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.